In this video, I'm going to show you how to change PDF name in Adobe Acrobat. Now, the first way you could do this is to actually open your document and you want to go to the top left and just save as another copy, okay? So if I go to File top left, I can go on Save As, and I can then basically select Save as PDF over here. So by default, it's going to save as a PDF. Select where you want to save it, and then you can just basically give it a different name, and that way you can kind of rename it, okay? But this is only going to kind of save the copy. So of course, if you want a copy, that's good enough. You can rename it here, click on save. But if you don't want a copy and you simply want to rename it, you can't actually do this inside Adobe Acrobat. You have to go inside your operating system's file manager. So for example, it could be like the File Explorer if you are using, of course, Windows. And in here, you can then rename it. So over here, as you can see, here's my File Explorer. Let's say this is this file over here. You can just click on it, click on this rename button and give it a new name like this, for example, press enter, and you've renamed your document using Adobe Acrobat and your file system manager. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.